The first step is to chop carrots, onions, tomatoes, rinse the canned beans and corns. Then you heat a pan, add butter or oil. Put in the onions and let it cook. Then you add in water or oil to cook the onions for a longer time. Then you put in the tomatoes when the onions are finely cooked. And also add the carrots. Give them the time you want the tomatoes to release juice. Then you add in all the veggies of your choice. Then you can add pepper and curry powder. Also, add the seasonings of your choice, of course, and stir the veggies very well. Then you pour in coconut milk or coconut cream. Then just wait until it boils and gets super creamy. Add spinach if you want extra greens in this curry. Ta-da! It's time to enjoy this simple one-pan veggie curry. It's so yum.